Once again, thanks for tuning in. Holly Shields here for Kalkinemedia. For investors, special dividends come as a boon. However, they are not good news for the company as the payout is followed by a fall in share price, as well as a perception that a company may not have enough growth potential. Here are 5 FTSE 100 companies that have announced special dividend payouts. But before we get into it, please sub to our channel, and while you're at it, press that bell icon to stay ahead of the game. Next, PLC. The clothing and footwear company would be paying a special dividend of 110 pence each, shared to shareholders on the 3rd of September. The total outlay for a special dividend is £140 million. The company is expected to generate $240 million in cash surplus, which would be distributed to shareholders through special dividends. The balance of surplus cash could be paid as a second special dividend in January next year, and if paid, would be announced through the company's Christmas trading statement, which would be released on the 6th of January. Tesco plc, the grocery and general merchandise company, in February approved a special dividend payout worth £5 billion after the disposal of its Asian operations last year. The special dividend would be 50.93 pence for each share, amounting to a little over 21% of the company's market capitalization. In December, its operations in Malaysia and Thailand were sold for $10.6 billion to a CP group. For the first quarter of 2021, the company's UK sales were up 0.5% to over £10 million. Group retail sales were up as well 1% to over 13 million. B&M European Value Retail. In January, the variety store chain announced a special dividend worth 20 pence a share, amounting to a total payout of about £200 million. The payout was in line with the company's capital allocation framework and was paid on the 29th of January to shareholders. For the financial year 21, the company's revenues increased 25.9% to over £4 million, from just under £380,000 a year ago. Adjusted EBITDA was up 83% to £626.4 million. Ferguson plc, the heating products and plumbing company, in March declared a special dividend of 180 cents per share, which amounted to about $400 million, paid in May of 2021. In January, the company finished the disposal of Wolseley UK and said that would return substantially all the net proceeds to shareholders through a special dividend. For the half year ending the 31st of January, the company's revenue increased 4.2% to £10 million from $9,893,000. Profit before tax increased 17.7% as well. Rio Tinto plc, the mining company, in February announced a special dividend of 93 US cents for each share, which represented a 72% payout ratio for the full year. The company's net earnings for the year ending 2020 stood at $9.8 billion and was 22% higher than a year ago. The consolidated sales revenue increased to $44,611 million. Operating profit increased as well to over $16 million from $11 million a year ago. And that concludes our list. Now that you're up to speed, check out some of our other videos to boost your financial IQ. If you like this info, please give us a like, comment, and a share as well. For more info, log on to our website at kalkinemedia.com. This has been Holly Shields for Kalkinemedia.